Are you taking omega-3s or fish oil and it's not working? You probably heard that fish oil or omega-3s, which is the same thing, just different names, but you probably heard that it's phenomenal for decreasing inflammation, like anti-inflammatory. But you've been popping the fish oil capsules and your inflammation doesn't seem to be going down. Well, this video is going to address the reasons why. So in general, it's a conversion problem and it's also an organ dysfunction problem. So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. But let's first talk about fish oil really quickly. Fish oil and omega-3s have been used for thousands of years to help decrease inflammation. More specifically, eating fish, not necessarily taking the capsules, right? And then recent research has shown that omega-3s help decrease inflammation. Now, of course, there's going to be other research that refutes that says, oh no, omega-3s do not. Okay. I'm not going to argue about research done by scientists in a box, right? What I'm going to talk about is my personal experience being a clinician for over 20 plus years and treating thousands of patients. This is what we have seen in our clinic. Fish oil is phenomenal for decreasing inflammation. I personally take it. I'm an avid tennis player. I'll play 2 to 3 times a week of tennis for at least a minimum of 1 hour. And tennis is pretty hard on the joints. So what I do is I take fish oil before and after I play. That helps decrease the inflammation and it helps protect my knees because knees are one of the things that get destroyed when you play competitive tennis, right? And a lot of my tennis buddies, I see them, they're popping ibuprofen, they're popping Advil, they're popping some type of medication before they play and after they play so that they don't feel the pain, right? Well, I've never done that. I've always used fish oil instead of doing medication. And that's the same thing that I've recommended to all our patients. When I treat patients, it doesn't matter if they're athletes or not. If they have chronic inflammation, I recommend that number one, eat fish if they can. Salmon is the best. If they don't like eating fish or they can't get salmon, then get some fish oil in a capsule. And so one of the fish oils that we use that we recommend in our clinic is Flare Patrol Omega by Restorative Longevity. This is what we recommend. This is what I personally use myself. And so fish oil helps decrease inflammation. But why, when you take it, sometimes it doesn't work? This is what I'm going to get into. So you have to understand when we take fish oil, it is not usable yet. Our bodies have to break down the fish oil because this is a fat or lipids. Lipids is another word for fats. It has to break down into little smaller lipids so that it can be used for anti-inflammatory. So if you take, for example, you're going into battle and one part of your army, your troops got injured, well, then you send the medics. The medics, they bring supplies. They need to have supplies. They need to have IV, they need to have bandages, they need to have antibiotics, they need supplies in order to heal those troops that have been injured, right? So what are those supplies? Those are called omega-3s, right? Or fish oil. So fish oil contains medical supplies for your immune system. It's your immune system troops that do the actual work. They're actually getting in there and sewing people up, surgery and all that stuff, but they need the proper tools. They need scalpel, they need suction. Omega-3s are those tools. So if you don't have enough omega-3s in your system, then you're not giving your immune system enough medical supplies to do the anti-inflammation, to decrease the inflammation. So that's the first part. So normally what happens when you take this capsule into your body takes this fish oil, breaks it down. Part of it is to use as medical supplies for trauma, triage, and then the other part, your body converts it into messages to tell your troops, your medical team to say, hey, let's switch from taking care of trauma to now let's start focusing on fixing the problem. We need to start, healing, doing the surgery, sewing people up, providing oxygen and so forth. That's the messaging. That comes from the omega-3, the fish oil that you just took. And there's a specific name for that. It's called pro-resolving mediators, PRM. And so that is produced from fish oil. That's what normally happens. When the conversion doesn't work, that's when problems arise. So when your body's not able to break down the fish oil, or is not able to convert the fish oil into the correct messages, then that's when you start noticing, man, I'm popping fish oil left and right, and it's not helping me decrease my inflammation. It's not working. That's why I'm going back to medication. Well, no. It's not this is not working. It's you that's not working, right? So then you have to understand, okay, so we take the fish oil. So your body breaks down the fish oil into medical supplies, and it converts the fish oil into medical messages. Who controls all this, right? Where does all this happen? A lot of it happens at the site of the inflammation. That's downstream, though. What about upstream? What controls this process? It's always organ function, right? If you follow me enough, you know our bodies heal because of our organ functions. And so what organs are in main control of breaking down and converting this fish oil into medical messages? It is your liver, your intestines, and your immune system. So if any of these three organ systems are dysfunctioning, you're going to lose the ability to convert fish oil into medical messages. So that's why when you take fish oil, it helps temporarily, but it doesn't fix the problem, right? That has nothing to do with the fish oil. It has to do with your organ functions. Fish oil does not reverse and repair your liver function, your intestine function, and your immune system. Supplements cannot repair and restore organ function. Only TCM herbs can, okay? But I'm just telling you why you've been popping fish oil. You've been like, man, Jimmy Acu Sensei, you've been telling me to take fish oil, but it doesn't work. Where it only helps decrease the inflammation temporary. And so I'm telling you why. This is the reason why. It's an organ dysfunction. So how do you fix it? Well, like I said, it's a liver, intestine, and immune system problem. You have to restore these organs. That's for another video. Until that next video, what is a temporary solution right now? What I personally do, and I teach our patients to do, first you take the fish oil. It doesn't matter you're not playing sports. You have chronic inflammation. Again, let me give you a disclaimer. This is not medical advice. I'm only sharing with you what I do myself and what I tell our patients in our clinic to do. Before you do any of this, you need to check with your physician, okay? All right. You take the fish oil. This is the fish oil I take. It's by a company, Restorative Longevity, and it's called Flare Patrol Omega. Now, you first need to make sure you got good quality fish oil. Not all fish oil is the same quality, okay? You have to get third-party tested pharmaceutical grade, which this Restorative Longevity is third-party tested pharmaceutical grade omega-3s. So you do your activity, whether you're going to go shopping, you're going to go a long drive, take your omega-3s first, right? You can take 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams. I personally, before I play tennis, I take 3,000 milligrams before and 3,000 milligrams after I play tennis. That is not my recommendation for you. I'm just telling you what I do, right? So I take this first, and then either 4 to 5 hours later or at the end of the day, I will switch to taking Flare Patrol PRM. So remember, PRM is pro-resolving mediators. They are the medical messages to tell my body, hey, you need to go from trauma mode. Now let's start going into healing mode. Let's start to eliminate, keep the inflammation gone, minimal to none, okay? So Restorative Longevity, they also make PRMs, right? PRMs are made from fish oil. So this is assuming your body has lost the ability to convert fish oil into PRMs. You can actually get PRMs in a capsule. So you take this first. So I take this first, and then 4 to 5 hours later, I'll take these, right? I'll take 2 to 3 capsules of these so I can stimulate my body to heal. Definitely before I go to sleep, because sleep is when your body heals the most, right? But again, this two combo can help you significantly decrease your inflammation and keep your inflammation minimal. That's why even at 50 years old, I can still play an hour of tennis in 100-degree Fahrenheit heat. I can do it 3 to 4 times a week. That's what I'm currently doing. So I use this combo. Let me give you a caveat, okay? Disclaimer. This does not fix your conversion problem. This just helps your body temporarily in the meantime. It is a band-aid, but my preference is it's better that I use this band-aid than medication band-aid because these don't have side effects. The medication band-aids have many side effects. Again, to fix the problem, you need to restore your organ function. But I wanted to share with you, this is what I do. This is what I share with our patients while they are repairing their liver function, their intestinal function, and their immune system organ functions. While they are doing that, this is a temporary solution to help them still be able to enjoy some of the activities of their lives. Be on the lookout for how to fix the organs in another video.